In this short video, I will show you how to take advantage of drop-down lists in Excel. If you like this video, why not subscribe and check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Drop-down lists are flexible and are great for standardized reporting. While this video will use the power of the drop-down list to create a simple expenditure report, once you know how to create a drop-down list, their uses are endless. Let's get started by opening Excel. I'm going to use sheet 1 of the workbook as our setup sheet. We will create the three drop-down lists of month, expenditure category and payee here. In the first row of the sheets, type month, expenditure, category and payee, all separated by a blank column. In the month column, leave the first cell under the month header blank and create a list of the 12 months. When complete, move to the expenditure category, and after leaving the first cell blank, enter the expenditure line item categories you wish to use. Follow the exact same process to complete your list of payees. Once complete, rename sheet 1 to drop-downs. We will now create our expenditure log by clicking on the plus icon to add a new sheet. Create the following columns: month, date, expenditure category, payee, description and amount. We will add our months drop-down under our month header by clicking cell A2 and selecting all future cells in the column using Ctrl, Shift and down arrow. With the cells highlighted, go to Data, Data Validation again, and in the Allow drop-down, select List. Click the up arrow beside the source box and go to the drop-down sheet in our workbook. Click and drag from the blank cell under month all the way to December. Click the down arrow in the Data Validation box and OK. Repeat this process to create the expenditure category and payee drop-down lists. Personally, I always include a blank cell in the list that I may need to add to in the future. With our drop-downs created, let's populate our expenditure log. It's good practice to highlight the cells you have based your drop-downs on. I just enclose them in a border. If you need to add new expenditure or payee categories, it's simple as clicking inside your list, right mouse clicking and selecting Insert and then the Shift Cells Down button. Then just type the required value into the list. To delete a value, it's right mouse click, delete and shift cells up. And that's how to create a drop-down list. In a future video, I will demonstrate how to summarize the values in your expenditure log by month using Excel to provide you with an expenditure category by month summary report. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.